Welcome to Kitchen Talk and Travels. I'm Heidi Roberts. This week should be the 7th annual Grenada Chocolate Festival on the island of Grenada. I thought, what better way than to pay a little homage to Grenada, to the chocolate, than to make chocolate tea. I have some cocoa balls from Grenada. These were from Crayfish Bay cocoa farm, and it's a pretty simple recipe. We're going to make it along together. So you take 3 cocoa balls. I'm going to add approximately 5 to 6 cups of hot water. We're going to let this come to the boil. Grenada is known as a spice island. I have my Grenada spice box here, and I've got ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Now into my hot water, my cocoa balls, I'm going to put a nice good-sized bay leaf and a couple of pieces of cinnamon bark. Just want to bring this to the boil, so make sure that all of the cocoa balls have dissolved. I'm going to add just some regular milk. You can sweeten this to taste. There you go. Grenada cocoa tea. Cheers. It's just like being back there. So see you soon. Join me on Kitchen Talk and Travels again soon.